Hi everyone, welcome back to Ellie Pop's Bespoke YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to do a tutorial on how to make double-sided fabric using some sort of double-sided sticky adhesive, which I have got from Pixie Dot Bow Supplies. Donna over at Pixie Dot has sent me some best friend fabric, I guess you'd call it. So on one side it has the name Olivia and the other side it has the name Ellie. These two are best friends, and it's so I can make some hair bows from it. Now I've asked the girls what they would like their bows backed with, and they both had different ideas. So this is perfect. So this is just a canvas sheet that's printed, and like I say, Olivia and Ellie, so they've decided to go for, Ellie wanted this iridescent heart fabric with the purple Ellie writing, and Olivia had gone for the pink and purple Olivia writing and this pinky purple glitter. So this is the double-sided adhesive, which comes from Pixie Dot, and we'll do Olivia's first. I've cut them down to size. Now the names Ellie and Olivia were sent in the double sheet, which is A4, and these are also sheets, and this double-sided adhesive sheet was also sent in A4. So what I'm going to do to start with, I've cut them down to A5, so I'll just cut the A4 sheet in half, and same with the fabrics that are going to back it, and same with this. So what I'm first going to do is I'm going to peel off one side of this adhesive, this is the sticky side. I'm just going to pull that backing sheet off, and then to the best of my ability I am going to line it up. So I've popped my glitter sheet face down. I'm going to line up the best I can on top of here. I'm going to slowly stick that down. Press down as hard as I can, and then I'm going to peel off that other side of the sticky sheet. Let's find a corner where it'll come off easily. Might be a little bit tricky, but we'll get there eventually. We just peel that corner off like that, and now that is the sticky part on there. So it's still face down, the glitter. We're going to get the Olivia, and let's do it this way again. Try not to get, I've got some glitter on there. Try not to get anything on the adhesive, and keep it as clean as possible. Very, very sticky. And we just line that up. And stick it down. Now, I've got some edges showing there, but this wasn't cut 100% straight. But there we go, we have a double-sided fabric, and it's quite hard to peel apart. I mean, you could do if you tried, but it is quite hard to do it. And then you just use your templates to draw around. So I would put that on there and that on there, and draw around them. Obviously, if you've got a bow template where the glitter will stand out better, like the Franchi, that's perfect for this kind of bow. It cuts nicely, like it would a normal fabric. And we just cut around these shapes as you would normally. Like I say, I can't use a Frenchy because it is copyrighted, so I can't show you how that works, but obviously they are the types of bows where you can see the inside as well as the outside of the fabric. So this double-sided fabric is perfect for that kind of template. But obviously this one, you won't see the glitter as much, but it does give it a nicer finish. And I would say use a fine glitter on a thin sheet rather than the chunky. I mean, you can use chunky, it wouldn't really matter, but if they're hard enough to cut through anyway. So if you add in another sort of layer of canvas sheet into it, it would make it even stiffer to cut through. Just bear that in mind. I don't know if any machines will do that, but there we go. And what I would do is, I mean, you can see it a little bit when you look inside the bow and on the back of the bow. I could even do it this way and use this as the front of the bow. You can just see Olivia through it. That's one way of doing it. Or we do it this way. So you can see the name Olivia through it, and also see the glitter. And obviously then I'd stick it to the template. I think that's the way I'm going to do this one. I've never used these bows backwards before, but this seems perfect for it. Contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that high road and hop in. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open up. Open, open. Really like how this has turned out actually. Really pretty colours. I'm going to cut a little bit off there. This one. So these fabrics and the double-sided adhesive sheet are really good quality. I can feel the quality. It's made the bow super stiff. And there's that one. Quite like how that looks. So we'll do it again with the Ellie one. So we've got this metallic sheet. It's sort of furry on the back. It's quite thin. You can see it just flops around. So again, we get the adhesive sheet, peel a corner. I find if you fold the corner over a little, it makes it easier to peel it apart. Let's do it this way. Straight edges, so we'll just stick those down. That's it. So a little bit out of, as you can see, we've got some bits off the edges, so you do need to make sure your fabric is as square as it can be. This one was cut a little bit wonky, but it won't matter because we're not going to go right up to the edge when we're cutting it out for a bow. So let's find the side that will peel. There we go. So we just unpeel like that. Then we get the Ellie canvas. Stick that down. There we go. It's nice and smooth on both sides. No air bubbles. And then again we would just draw around the templates, cut them out and make a bow. So here are the finished bows that I've made using the double-sided fabric. After using this, I must say it's really easy to do. You could probably stick cotton fabric to glitter fabric. If you've got some ginghams you want to do for school, gingham fabric would stick to a glitter fabric, say. But yes, I do think the glitter works better than sort of a stiff metallic fabric like this. This makes it super stiff. It does work, but it is really stiff to work with. The glitter is still stiff but not as stiff and looks really effective. So a couple of things here from Pixie Dot Bow Supplies. We have the printed canvas sheets. Like I say, you can get 2 names on one A4 sheet, and the double-sided adhesive for you to stick these together with. So the names on one side, and I've stuck them together with the different fabrics on the other side. You can get the fine glitter fabric from Pixie Dot too. This one's from a Chinese supplier, but I would say that this fine, sort of super fine glitter fabric is perfect for doing this. I'm sure you can find some lovely contrasting colours to go with the choices that you choose for the canvas. So yeah, if you want to give it a go, I'll pop a link to Pixie Dot in the description box. I'll also pop a link to my Facebook group if you want to join that if you're not already. Please feel free to subscribe to the channel. I've got lots of videos coming up. Join the Facebook group if you're not already. Give the video a like. Thumbs up always helps the channel. Comment if you can. And I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.